Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Holden Cruze, stock number 6846. This ran from the 3rd 2013 and the 1st 2017. It has an A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the A16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front door 3 dents, left rear door no dents, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard 2 dents, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,